it's Sim.
And I'm Rachel.
This is our first video of our channel.
And also, this year we're celebrating our first Christmas together.
So we are planning to make a Christmas script from scratch.
So let's not waste any more time and let's get on to the video. So here we have made a rough sketch for our nativity scene. So this is just to help us understand where everything should go on later on. These are the materials we are planning to use for making our Christmas script, and you can find the details of these items in the description box below.
Moving on, here we have used an old cardboard box to serve as a base as well as for the sky. As you can see, we have decided to give an arc shape for the sky. Next, we are going to make the mountains, for which we have laid out some cardboard boxes of varying heights. Also, we found this old greyish bathing towel which we thought will be perfect for depicting the mountains. To give some dimensions, we'll stack up some crumbled up papers. Now let's begin to make the stable. We'll be using old wire hangers for the skeleton of the stable, and for connecting these hangers we'll be using binding wires as well. I've connected all the wire hangers together. Now it looks very sturdy.
So I have made a cardboard cutout for the back of the stable, and now I'm gluing on some ice cream sticks to give a wooden wall effect. And for the side walls, I have aligned some ice cream sticks and glued them up together. And while that dries, let's move on to the sky. So here we have given some random markings for the position of the star, and we are using a blue fairy light to give the illusion of a starry night. We will be poking hole on the markings and trying to wedge the lights through the hole. Now, to cover up the remaining cardboard, we are using these beautiful night sky printouts and attaching them on with some double-sided tape. Or instead, you can also paint this area, but we just found this method to be more simpler. And this is how it turned out, and we are quite happy with how it looks.
Next, I'm gonna make some houses for the little town of Bethlehem.
And side by side, I'm painting the houses. I'm just going for a simple design here. It doesn't need to be perfect, you can just be creative here.
Now let's move on to the waterfall. For that, we have used a cutout from a blue plastic sheet, and we are giving some light brush strokes using white acrylic paint to give a waterfall effect. I'm using plaster of Paris to design a river continuing from the waterfall, which we will paint later on.
So now we're going to design the fence around the stable using some cut up ice cream sticks.
Coming back to our stable, we have glued up the base, the side walls and the back of the stable. And finally, for the roof, we are stacking up some grass that we picked up from the backyard and gluing it to the roof of the stable.
Also, we are adding some chopped up grass pieces to the base of the stable and the surrounding area to give more texture. So here I am mixing up some of the cut up pieces of grass with Mod Podge and placing them on so as to create a pathway. Finally, we are placing all of our little props, and this completes our nativity scene. And here we have the final look. We are so happy as to how it turned out.
Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and please do subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Merry Christmas, stay safe,
and see you all in the next video.
bye.